tell you how we implement Twilio. So the user can send message and receive message on its website. So here I use Twilio plugin. In Twilio plugin, I give that account SID and account token and API key and API secret key. So for that plugin, we see it is used for sending text message, make a call, send a fax, receive a retrieve. But I face some problem in it. It is I just use this plugin just to send message. For receiving message, I do some backend workflows. For that, I will show you. I just create and a backend workflow of incoming SMS. So I connect it with my Zapier account. So I show you some Zapier integration. In Zapier, we just see, we just connect our Zapier with Twilio over here. In it, I just add my Twilio number and I just tell him what event I want to perform. I want new SMSs, and then I will connect it with Bubble. The work bubble with I trigger an API workflow which I shown you first, and I connect it with it. So to in it we can see the one side is connected with Twilio and the other side is connecting with Bubble. So for that how I receive messages, I just show you some example of it on my dashboard. So my customer is AJ Prasad. So I send him some messages like new order, paying customer it is, and I send him some message over here, SMS which I sent and the SMS which I received from him. You can see SMS received, SMS received, then I SMS him again and he will send me SMS again. So in here you can see how we can send message to the user and how we will receive message from our user using Twilio. So that's a short informative video.